Hi. In this video, I'll answer the question of which beauty industry tools we cover in the online course. Tweezers for eyebrows, all models. Tweezers for cosmetologists. For lash makers who do eyelash extensions. We also cover grooming as well as hairdressing clipper blades, including a variety of different types and styles. Scissors, all types, straight, thinning, curved. For hairdressers, for groomers, for animal trimming, we cover all of that. By the way, I use a sharpening technique that comes from Japan. It's a very good technology that allows you to make the scissors extremely sharp, the correct angle, and you can sharpen scissors dozens of times. Each pair of scissors, which is very beneficial for the professional because they are very expensive. Manicure tools, pushers, small scissors used in nail care and grooming routines. For nails, for cuticles. Nippers for cuticles and for nails as well, of course. For nippers, I also use a method that I developed myself. It's unique and allows you to remove very little metal during sharpening. And you can also sharpen the tool 30, 40, even 50 times, which is, of course, very advantageous for the professional. This will be your competitive advantage. As for other tools, like household ones, based on this knowledge, you'll be able to sharpen any tool, household knives, pruners, and so on. Everything that is used in everyday life, you'll be able to handle as well, because this knowledge will serve as the foundation, the base for all your future development. You can continue to grow further. As you understand, there are no limits when it comes to sharpening, right? There are so many things that are being sharpened in this world. That's right. Now, regarding the equipment, let me explain right away. The equipment I'm currently filming from my workshop, from my own workspace. Here you can see some of the machines I use, and accordingly, you can either purchase them yourself in the video training, in the video lessons. This will also be covered. Which tools to buy, where to buy them with links, and how to set them up. But you can also place an order, and I will assemble the equipment for you, put together a complete set, and send it to you, for example, via a shipping company. You can set it up at your place and start working. In fact, that might even be easier. Now, regarding income, right? Of course, you can earn 100,000 or even more and more. I have students who make 100,000, 150,000, and there are some who earn 200,000 or more. It all depends on your location and your motivation. So I'll leave some links below this video, a link to my website,